Welcome back. Now let us learn the various kinds of charts, and there are many kinds of charts, and this is a few of them. And this one I have copied from one of the place, and the link is there at the reference section. And if you want to do the comparison kind of things, then definitely these are the suggested. And if you want to show some kind of relationship, then these are the suggested graphs. If you want to see the distribution of outcome variable, then this is the suggested graphs, and these are for the compositions. And wherever you see the stars, we are going to learn those things, but remaining you can learn on your own. It is not a difficult thing. And let us start few of those things. See, if you see the line, I have seen almost all the projects uses the line chart. So you should be very much expert in reading the line chart. One is single line, one is multiple line. And another very important graph is the scattered chart. If you know how to read the scattered chart, you can read the bubble chart, because the difference between scattered and bubble is the size of these bubbles. Here all the sizes, the points are same. So these are the few things you must be knowing it. Okay, so now let us go ahead, and this is a very basic graph, XY graph. We have been doing in the since ours. I think I remember in the 10th class I used to do this. I hope many of you have done it. So this is the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Quadrant 1, both x and y are positives, like see 5 and 3, point will be here. And in quadrant 2, x is negative, y is positive, so like minus 3 and 1. Quadrant 3, x is negative and y is negative, both. So here both are negative, so like this minus 6, minus 4. Quadrant 4, here y is negative and x is positive, so like 0, minus 3, and so on. So this is the graph we have done since our childhood. Now let us do the scattered plot, and see, scattered plots will look like this one. So x-axis one numeric variable will be there, y-axis another numeric variable, and so on. So you can have the trend as well like this. So you can do the scattered plot of the one variable like over here, or the two variable together, and see. Okay, so when do you want to use this? If you want to find it out some kind of relationship between two variables, if there is any outliers. For example, if you see that if there is any point over here, this point is a bit different or very far from the line, plus also this edge. So we are probable outliers. Okay, and generally scattered plot is used when you have the two variable to compare with, one on x, another on the y. Okay, and sometimes you can have this like this as well. The advantage is that for visually you can see, even though you have 1 million observation, 1 million, 1 billion, and so on. So irrespective of the count of the data, you can see the trend. And the disadvantage is that it will take some time to understand, but once you are able to understand, you can get it very much. Now let us do the hands-on for this one. So please open that Excel file and go to the scattered tab. So here you can generate the scattered plot like this way. You can select and you can go to the insert, and either you can choose the plot or say click the recommended charts. So it will suggest you the multiple, and if you see that you can have this one also, you can have both, like here in case of this is only for simple dot width, these are the both over here. So you can create any one of this one and you can draw it. So here I have drawn the both one by one, and you can put the trend. Once it is drawn, you can put it that trend line, like add trend line. This is what it will add it. So this one, this is the way you can go ahead and do it. And this is for individual, and this was a together I had shown to you over here. That see, this is the together. Like when you select both data, then it will suggest, it will show you the together this graph. This is over here. So these two you can generate after selecting one by one, and these two we have to select the both data, and then you can simply add over here, over here, and simply say add trend line. That's all. So this is how you are going to draw the scattered plot. And from the business interpretation point of view, you can say this is sepal dot length. It is increasing for the observation point of view. It is an increasing trend, and there are very few outliers or almost none. If you see that this one, and I think it is not having much outlier. Sepal dot width, it is a decreasing point of view, decreasing, plus there are probable few outliers. And generally, as a homework, what I want you to do, see here I have got both sepal dot length and sepal dot width on the x-axis. I want you to have the sepal dot length on x-axis, sepal dot width on the y-axis, and see the trend. See the trend, what it says. Is it possible? Just try to see. Okay. Otherwise, or if this is fine, and then you can also try to interpret on your own way, and if you do not understand, let me know. Thanks a lot for watching this. See you in the next one.